In this video, we shall study the topic of gender. Under gender, we shall study the meaning of gender, gender roles, then gender discrimination and gender studies. And before we shall start by with discussion of different categories under gender and gender discrimination and such things, let us predominantly study and discuss about the meaning of gender and the possible origin of the word gender. Okay, so the term gender basically is nothing but kind of social attribution, right? Social attribution to either of the sexes, that is male or female. These days lines have been blurred, and the term gender does not stop with the inclusion of men and women. It also includes discussions on the so-called discussions which surpass and cross these binary distinctions between men and women. Okay, so that means it also has become inclusive of other gender functions and roles taken up by different sects of people like transgenders, lesbians, gays, okay, and LGBT people who belong to LGBT community. So all this overall encompasses the study of the topic of gender. Okay, so how do we understand the term gender to begin with? It is nothing but the social attribution given to men and women depending upon the different roles they need to perform, right? So it is a kind of different division and attribution, and a kind of distinction that is ascribed to men and women or girls or boys in the society based upon the different gender roles they are expected to perform. Okay, so gender should be understood in terms of how different or how similar is it with the term sex. Okay, sex is nothing but the biological determinant of being male or female. Okay, sex determines whether a child is a girl or a boy, or it's going to be grow up as a man or a woman. Okay, so sex is the biological determinant. The moment when a childbirth happens, when a child is born, so we distinguish whether it's a male or female child. So it is a biological determination. Sex is nothing but the biological determination, the physical attribute which differentiates a boy and a girl, right? Based on the physical differences, like the main physical differences is the genital parts, body parts, to describe and to understand whether it is a boy or a girl by birth. So that is the sexual determination. So that is the, when we say the biological determination, it is based on sex, whether a child is male or female. When we say gender, we say whether it is boy or a girl. So the terms men and women, whether a child is a boy or a girl, these are gender determinants. Okay, these words are gender ascriptions to a newly born boy or a girl who is supposed to grow up as either man or a woman. Okay, so these are the binary divisions between male and female, and also men and women. So that we understand as the basic meaning of the term gender. Okay, this is a small chunk, small unit in your second it's a small a bit in the second unit of your syllabus. Okay, the topic of gender and gender discrimination, right? Predominantly we are supposed to study gender discrimination, but why I am going in detail about gender, meaning of gender, gender roles, gender issues, gender identities, and even gender studies for that matter. The reason behind is that before you arrive at what are the causes, what are the nuances, what are the factors that play a vital role, predominant role in one of the social evils. Gender discrimination is obviously a social evil. So, before you understand the phenomenon of gender discrimination pertinently in Indian society, you need to know in detail what gender means, what role these gender roles play in perpetrating and activating some of the acts of gender discrimination, how they directly or indirectly contribute to this social evil called gender discrimination. Okay, and as I said that these days these lines between gender and two basic genders of being men and women have been blurred due to changing trends and even accepted the newly accepted changing trends in society, which sometimes also covers transgenders, then people who belong to different LGBT communities. Okay, and yeah, that is how we can arrive at the actual meaning of gender. Okay, so when you say gender, meaning of gender and its roles, it's not institutionalized by governance of law and court and order many times, but it has kind of cultural determinants, right? Cultural determinants which divide the roles assigned for men and women. Culturally, they are expected to perform certain roles, right? Culturally, men and women are expected to perform specific and certain gender roles. So these gender roles are the determinants which later on directly or indirectly perpetrate some of the practices of gender discrimination. Okay, so now we also have something called gender studies, which has become a kind of interdisciplinary field, right? It has become interdisciplinary field because gender studies is the field which comes under sociology, it comes under political science, it comes under literature. Okay, it comes under different social sciences. Basically, it has become a major branch of humanity, right? So much so that that you in some of the universities which focus predominantly on the importance of humanities, right? So in such universities you have different department altogether for gender studies. Okay, it has they have different department altogether for gender studies, so that it covers different gamuts of gender under it, different aspects of gender. It is, when you say it is it has become an interdisciplinary field, you can guess that how vast and widespread it has become, the scope of gender studies. And it is interdisciplinary and it is very closely linked with other disciplines, as I just mentioned, right? Even history, sometimes even history is included under a kind of sub branch. Gender studies is included as a kind of sub branch under the department of history, then political science, then sociology, then sometimes even literature for that matter. And there have been so many texts. Upcoming discussion on gender, we shall discuss about so many texts which have been written by focusing on the aspects of gender which have predominantly become part of English studies. Okay, English department and English studies, because English study also encompasses English cultural studies. Okay.